inabot po kami ng ulan. Girl, ay sinulikat. Perfect! Dreams is really top. It's my silver year, guys. So guys, nasa dim-dim-sum kami. First order of business kasi gutom na si Madam. Oo nga guys, worth it naman yung pagkamahal niya. Yeah. Good morning! Alam mo lang ka-update guys, but we're walking here. Nasa Grand Lisboa kami. We're going to Sonadas Terrain. So we can eat. Anong oras na guys? At di pa po kami kumakain. Perfect!
Ay, yung pas yung free shuttle dun pa sa may Lisboa.
Steak rice with black pepper and ano yung sa'yo ito?
Beef brisket.
First meal of the day, guys. What the hell? Ano nyo ba, guys? So, late na kaming umalis sa Hong Kong.
Talaga
Para
naman.
mag-Macau kami. And then, inabot po kami ng ulan. Pero hindi naman namin pinagsisiyan na late na kami umalis, no? Kasi sobrang init din, guys. Diyos ko. Ang laki ng ulam. Sarap! Okay guys, update! Diba kanina nasa, ano kami, the ruins of St. Paul guys. Tapos, umulan. Umulan guys, oh my god. Pero nakasurvive naman kami. So kumain kami, nagpatila kami ng ulan, nakapag-picture pa kami sa the ruins of St. Paul. Tapos, pupunta na kami ngayon sa The Londoner. So since nga, inaano namin yung free shuttle, we need to walk. Si girl ay pinulikat.
Wala, naka-record siya.
So, we have no choice kundi mag-Uber. So, nag-Uber kami guys. Tapos, ngayon, nandito na kami sa The Londoner. So, ayun, nag-picture-picture lang kami dito guys. Quick update lang. Kasi guys, di ko na kayo na-update. Like, buong araw, hindi ata ako nagsalita sa vlog. So, ayun. Late na rin naman nag-start yung araw namin ngayon, guys. Kasi nga nag-work pa ako. So, around 4 PM na kami dumating dito sa Macau. Yeah, hindi naman namin like lahat nalipo. And hindi naman din namin ini-aim mapuntahan lahat dito sa Macau, guys. Picture. Sa makabila tayo makapag-picture ng back in Hong Kong! Yay! After ng nakakapagod na biyahe! Yay! Sa place natin. Ang cute ng color. Guys.
in the morning. I wake up feeling no pain.
We're out and about. We are going sa Lantaw Island. Guys, look. Kita nyo may nadaanan namin na para bang maze siya. Tapos kailangan namin hanapin yung pinaka-exit. Charot. Morning, Hong Kong! So ngayon guys, hindi kami magbabas. So mag-MTR kami. We're just walking. Malapit lang naman kami sa subway station. Ang ganda ng location ng hotel namin kasi ang lapit namin sa lahat, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa City Gate Outlet. So, ang laki na guys. Kasi nandito yung mga iba't ibang brands, sikat na brands. So you can shop. Ang sarap ng pieces.
Pack it fast for the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night.
Solid. We're finally here! Tayo Pinas! With the fire! Yes! So guys, we booked this through Klook. Tayo Fishing Village na boat ride. It's a sightseeing. Tapos if we are lucky, makakakita kami ng pink dolphin! Say hi, te! Egg puff for 30 HKD.
Hati kami.
Kasi ka. Ang so good. Thank you!
You too.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! So guys, bumili kami. Look, show them. Wow! Machi bracelet.
May freebies pa.
Postcard guys. So, bumili na din kami ng HK nut shirt. Okay guys, we're done. Alam nyo guys, sobrang ganda dito sa Tayo Village. Wala lang, sobrang chill lang. Parang sobrang laid back lang, ganun. Sobrang dreamy ng place.
Eyes 100%, both of them.
Hello everyone! So, now, ito kami sa MTR guys because we're going to Central kasi kakain kami ng Five Guys. Ganda ng transportation system here. Hindi makarelate ang Pinas. Shut up. Okay guys, just a reminder, pag pupunta ng Hong Kong. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Five Guys. Well, alam naman namin na mahal to, no? This is our bill. It's 375 HKD. So, alam niyo na guys. Alam niyo na. Okay guys, look. Ella was here. We're gonna leave it sa board ng Five Guys. Show them. It's yours. Perfect. Wala ka namin isulap yung gastos. Show them, show them.
Okay.
The food. Was it good? Okay yung presyo?
Kaya malungkot ako.
Yan guys. In-order namin bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger, tapos fries, Cajun fries, and then free mani. It's Disneyland Day! Okay guys, bago kami pumunta ng Disneyland, kain muna kami. Pinakamalapit lang dito, kasi ayaw na namin lumayo. So, pinakamalapit lang is Jollibee. Jollibee na no, tara! 1 2-piece chicken with mushroom rice. Okay. $4? Okay. Okay.
Ito na lang. Ito yung mga drinks na.
Ano ba yun? Ate Pilipin. Thank you, ate. Thank you. Breakfast, guys. Ayaw ko naman difference, guys. Sarap ng kape nila. Ay. Ay.
I got my head in the clouds so high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. Cruise from
Birthday star! Happy birthday to me!
not me. They say slow down, son, take your time. But I was born running every stop sign. Sky.
You ready to see it all soon?
They were born ready. Let it go. Let it go.
Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends. Stop where the sky.
We've got a whole bunch of new toys to play with.
No chance to hold. Sky is the limit. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight.
Guys, pangarap ko lang to. Dreams is really
Sky is the limit. No chance to hold. Sky is the limit. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control. Sky is the limit. No chance to hold. Sky
namin. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa BHC. So happy guys kasi meron silang ganito dito. Thank you. Although di pa kami nakakapunta ng Korea, so try namin here. Sa atin, di ba, itong Coke, ano siya? Magkano yung Coke sa atin? Siguro mga 80 sa restaurant. Magkano dito? 18 pesos lang dito, guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you the food. So, this is the Brinko na cheese ball, and then cheese ramen, and may cheesy girl. Let's eat now. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. And then, chicken. Sarap. Ang lalaki ng chicken nila. Nag-avail ng Sky Terrace, pero may fear of heights. Perfect! Guys, sobrang ganda dito. As in! OA. Pero look. I'm gonna show you. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. God, look. What the hell? Sobrang ganda. Wala pa kami sa TikTok. Papunta pa lang. Ang ganda, grabe. Okay, we're going up. Guys,
You got a hot red hot now, babe. You got a hot red hot now, babe.
we're done na sa Sky Terrace. So yan, I just need of coffee, guys. So I'm here sa and Spanish latte. Yes, iced.
Anything else?
That will be all.
$60, thank you. Peso, ha?
Card. Thank you. Grabe guys, sobrang sakit ng paa ko. Well, feeling ko kasi may effect pa din yung pananakit ng paa ko yesterday kasi di ba nag-Disneyland kami. Tapos yung boots kasi na yun is bago guys. Hindi ko pa talaga siya na-break in. So, talagang masakit siya guys. So, the whole time, nasuot ko siya, imagine, the morning, I think around 8 or 9 p.m. So, ko na yung boots na yun. Tapos yung oras na kami nakauwi, parang mag-10 p.m. na. Ang sakit na guys, as in, natitinis ko siya. Kasi wala din naman akong baon na extra shoes. Tapos, feeling ko, kahit napahinga ko na siya, nandun pa din yung pain niya. So, hanggang ngayon nararamdaman ko pa din siya. That's why medyo masakit pa din yung paa ko ngayon. Going here sa Pictram guys, grabe, uphill pala kasi talaga yung daan from the subway station, tapos going to Pictram. Uphill siya. So, nakakahinga and at the same time, masakit pa yung paa. So, our next stop is Matang Pusat. So, yun na yung last. And then, mag-3 p.m. na. So, I think we're going to Mountain dahil di kasi namin siya napuntahan yung Saturday because umuulan na. Babalik kami doon ngayon dahil medyo maluwag naman yung schedule namin. Ang iniisip ng ni Grace kanina is until 6 p.m. lang kasi yung Mountain Villages. And ngayon, 3 p.m. na. So, and I don't know kung anong plan ni Grace. This one, I think, $52 or $60. Hong Kong dollars, I think. So guys, nagulat ako naka-video pa rin. Kala ko pinatay ko. Nag-answer lang ako ng mga greetings sa akin. So, anyway, today is my birthday. 25 na ako, guys. I don't wanna cry. Ayoko maging dramatic the whole day. But very emotional ako because it's my silver year, guys. And wala lang, sad lang. Siguro, masaya ako na super if andito yung parents ko.
Oh, over there, I help you to scan it. It's okay.
I'll check some.
Okay. Oh, that's a bonus. You redeem the train ticket?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi. Sino siya? Sino siya, guys? Siya, oh. Hello. Wow. Ay, Jackie Chan! Oh my God! I'm a fan! Hello! Yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Paparazzi! Oh my God!
Then when you call, I'm excited for nothing. You said that you would if you just had time. You got hard, red hot now, babe. You got hard, red hot now, babe.
Ay! Shit! Ito pala yung ano, Miss Universe, tsaka ano, Miss Barangay, ano, buho.
Somehow. Is there any time to find? Yeah. Said I should leave for the sun color. You got a heart.
When traveling on escalators,
So, we're going to the famous na picture spot here in Kennedy Town. And then, Arabica coffee for breakfast. Then we're going back to Central sa PST. Kasi, nandun yung itinerary namin for today. Guys, the famous picture spot. So, ayan. Open from 7 to 11 a.m. Guys, we're going there. Saan kami dyan? We're gonna order some drinks so we can take pictures. Okay guys, dahil gusto namin makapag-picture sa spot na to, bumili kami ng isang coffee.
Hindi namin maubos. Nagko-coffee shop ulit kami after nito.
Now, we're done. We're going to Arabica. Ganda oh. Meron kasi silang parang seaside. So, kita mo siya. Ganda niya guys. So, after this, we're going to Central. PST. PST ba yun? Basta around Central. Kasi pupunta kami sa Avenue of the Stars, K11 Museum, and Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong Cultural Center.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything. Everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, can't ask for anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
Okay, life update. Nagkahiwalay kami ni Glee. So ngayon, sumakay siya ng dingding. And, nasaraduan ako ng pinto. And, hindi na ako sumakay ng dingding, guys. Kasi, di ko alam yung way dito sa Kennedy Town. So, the best na gawin ko ay bumalik ako sa station and magkita na lang kami sa Central. Kesa maligaw ako sa Kennedy Town. What we're going to do is to go back to the station. Guys, ang galing dito kasi yung octopus card ko, nakakonect na siya dito sa Apple Wallet ko, sa Apple Pay Wallet. So, tinatap ko na lang tong phone ko and hindi siya hassle. Look, I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Yeah! Taiwan. So, when you go down. Galing din itong app nila na MTR. Kung hindi ka maliligaw kasi bibigyan ka niya ng direction and yung platform na pupuntahan mo kapag sasakay ka going to each station. So, ayan, nakalagay dyan kung saan ka sasakay, kung ilang minutes dadating yung tren. Ang galing, super galing.
Ayan na yung bida-bida kong friend. Ayan na yung bida-bida kong friend, guys.
Hello! So guys, we're walking sa Central kasi puntahan natin yung famous na milk tea. Tapos after nun, take out lang kami. And then after nun, we're going to TST na.
Taste test. The expectations.
Chatra mo. It's good. $30. A mix of coffee and milk.
Ang pangatlong kape na namin to, guys.
Guys, ang bilis ang serving nila. No?
Another day, another break in the promise was always a pattern of mine. It's the way that I learned that the game it was only a matter of time. And I pray that I don't have to pay for it yet, but I'm willing to gamble on a bet. I'm willing to forgive and
Sulit for 500 something.
Ay, may spicy kasi baka. Hello?
Sa Binondo lang kami na ganito.
Yes, last month.
Let's try.
How is it? May spicy? Masarap?
Pinasabog na guys.
Dugyot talaga.
Dugyan talaga siya, girl, oh.
This recommended the pork is for small bite, which is hindi ko ginawa.
the toxic people telling me to give it a rest. Not too sensitive, you just don't have a heart. But I continue to enter the ring while I'm falling.
Wow. Triple case. Ang ganda to. Cute! Hindi ko birthday.
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
No, I want
Oh my god! Stop! Wow! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
So may I have your email and phone number first? Yeah, thank you. Do you need to add on the wallet? Okay. Do you want to change right now or just later? Okay, maybe I give it back for you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I change this?
Oh, sure. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines, okay. 29 for the 16 Pro Max. The inside will have the max day. Just a moment.
1 year di magpapalit.
Kasi siya.
Oh my God!
Online din order.
$4.
Ha?
64.
Naku na ako. Oh, nahilo ko kasi sinabi yung presyo. Okay guys, nakuha niyo na yung case depoy niya. This is my time to shine. We're gonna go Ichirante. Ano ba kayo guys? Sobrang mura lang ito. 429 lang naman yan. Pesos. Wala yung HK dollars na yun. No yan. Ano sa cellphone mo? Look. Boxing. Ganda nung case. Pen pangunas oh. Grabe talaga. Oh, oh, yung marumihan yung case guys. Kung nasa yung cellphone. Yes. Ano feeling? Oh, sanghan.
Okay guys, we're going to Ichiran Ramen. So dito kami nag-Ichiran sa may Mongkok para malapit na lang sa hotel namin.
I wrote 1,000 times.
Guys, gusto ko
Guys,
sabihin
1.8,
na
grabe.
hindi kami nagyayabang, pero ganito siya. Mahal siya guys, hindi nakakayabang, nakakasakit ang bulsa. First time. Guys, kailangan kong ubusin to kasi ako lang pwedeng kumain.
Usap ka na. Ano, bakit kailangan busan?
Ako lang pwede kumain.
Paano ikaw lang pwede kumain?
Pwede ba ilagay dyan? Ano? Guys, may 3 pa akong hit. Busog na ako. Good morning, Hong Kong! Hindi naman outfit ko, guys. Hong Kong for the cap, tapos I love HK, the shirt, very turista. Today is June 10, and it is our last full day here in Hong Kong. Kasi maaga kami. Aalis bukas sa hotel, going to the airport. Kasi maaga yung flight na going back to the Philippines. Chill day na lang naman kami today, guys. Mamimili na lang kami ng mga pasalubong, mga pasabay na food, and magpo-food trip. Tapos mag-aano kami ngayong gabi, hop on, hop off bus. So we bought one Tart. Let's try.
Totoo, mas masarap yung sa bakehouse. Nadumihan yung damit ko. As in.
Soft cheese tart. Ano yung kanina? Napoleon tart yung kanina. This one is soft cheese tart, okay? Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Hindi ko alam. Fan siguro kasi ako ng cheese, guys. Ang sarap.
Ay, lahat ng kabutan.
And then next one, pistachio. Oh my God! Oh my God! Gusto ko to, guys. Mag-uuwi ako nito. Okay.
Jackie?
Yeah, super. Bye-bye! Guys, alam niyo, wala pa kami nakakainan na hindi masarap. At masarap.
Paano ba naman pinupunta natin yung recommended?
Masarap.
Walang date?
Bill reveal.
Anong tawag dito?
Just gonna wait for my order. Okay. I'll show you guys my postcards. So I have 2 postcards. One from Taiwan and then one from Macau. Twins of St. Paul's. Hello.
41. Grabe guys, nakapili na kami ng bakehouse. Welcome back. Confident naman ako na mababalik kayo namin. Wala kasi masyadong tao doon. And then, of course, Mississippi. 42 minutes rolling na siya.
Hello guys! Oh my gosh! Kala ko nawala na yung camera ko. Naiwan ko siya sa Figgy Finds sa mall dito sa Hong Kong. I think 1 hour na, parang 42 minutes or 50 minutes na kaming nakaalis doon. Tapos nakita ko lang siyang nawawala. Kasi videohan ko sana na I bought a lot of bakehouse. Tapos bumili din ako ng hashtag. Doon ko na-realize na nawawala na yung camera ko. So ayan, nandito kami sa Common Coffee Roaster sa TST because we're waiting sa Hop on and Hop off bus night city tour, something like that. Around 6 or 7 pa kami. Oh, look at that guys! Oh, sarap! This one is not your common chocolate cake. And then, etong order ni Glaze, Nitro Honey Oat Latte, something.
But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
Thank you, Lord! Damage 1. Ay, hindi ko na pala to damage 1, guys. Kasi yung damage 1 ko, yung Casetify ko. The damage 2, yung film camera. Damage 3. And 2 more. Saan na tayo? Hindi niya na daw alam, guys.
Pagod na talaga kamo.
Kasi dito, guys, and okay talaga yung transportation system nila here. Yun talaga, siguro yung pinaka may enjoy nyo kung, lalo na kung galing kayong Pinas, talaga namang. Punta na kami ng ladies market and tignan natin kung makukurot kami.
You need a shopping bag.
Guys, talaga namang tumodo siya. Nanahimik muna siya, ha. Kauwi niya. We're done! Thank you! So, ito the best talaga. Actually, pwede niyo siyang order ng tag-isa kayo. So, pwede ito. Ay, ang sarap. Sarap ng milk tea nila, guys.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slithering my innocent oasis. If you bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame it. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Saying these space to breathe. What does that really mean?